Today we are going to do the experiment of determination of angle of minimum deviation for a given glass prism by plotting a graph between angle of incidence and angle of deviation. Materials required are a drawing board, a sheet of paper, glass prism, pins, half meter scale, graph paper and protractor. Now, this is a drawing board. This is a glass prism. All of us know that a glass prism has two triangular surfaces and four rectangular surfaces. We have to now first draw a line over here. Now, we draw a line which is called normal to the plane. Let us name this N1. And I am putting the glass prism over here in this manner. Next, what we have to do, I will just trace it . Next, I am going to draw an incident ray at an angle, certain angle of 30 to 35 degree we can take. I am taking a 30 degree. So this is my angle of incidence, which is equal to, I am writing here angle I is equal to 30 degree. And I am putting an arrow over here because this is the incident ray. Now, I need two pins over here to find the image, how it does refraction with the prism. Not putting too far, not too near, nearly about 10 centimeters. Next, I am putting the prism over here, and from this side I will see the image. So, I am finding the image over here. Next, what we will do, we will take out the pen and I will draw this emergent ray. This is my emergent ray. These are the two pins which I have marked over here. And this is the emergent ray, this one. Here I am naming it, suppose MN. Here I can name anything, I can name this PQ. And now I am drawing this emergent ray. Next, how to find the deviation, angle of deviation. So for that, what I will do, I will extend this angle of incidence through which the incident ray passes. This is the incident ray which I am extending it backward. And I am also extending this ray, emergent ray, backwards, and this angle is called your angle of deviation. For example, here I have drawn three diagrams over here. You can see this. First of all, a line is drawn over here. Then I am putting the prism over here. I am drawing this angle of incidence 30 degree. This is my emergent ray. I am taking it backwards. I am taking this incident ray backwards. So this gives me angle of deviation. Like this I am performing 3 times at least. by taking different values of angle of incidence. Here it is 40 degree. Again I am getting the emergent ray over here, and similarly I am taking this 45 degree again angle of incidence, and I am getting angle of emergence as 47 degree. So these are the three set of readings. Now what I have to do, we have to find next angle of prism. So how to find that angle of prism? Again I am putting a prism over here. I am tracing it. Now I am putting two pins over here first. Let us put the pin over here. And I am seeing the image from this side. Here. So here I can see the image, and here I will put the pin. Similarly, from this side again, I am going to put two pins. And find the image. So, if I am naming this A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Next I will extend this backward. I will extend this backward, and I am getting an angle this O. Now I will measure how much is this angle. After on measuring, suppose I am putting this angle O. This comes out to be 120 degree. This is your angle of prism. We know that angle O is twice of angle A. Therefore, angle A will be your 60 degree. So, this is the value of angle of prism. Now, next we have done the experiment to find the deviation. We will plot the graph and find what is the minimum deviation. So, for this, we are having a set of readings. Here we are having a set of reading. Angle of prism is 60 degree. Angle of incidence 30 degree. Deviation is 50 degree. 35, 40 degree, 40, 43, 45, 47, 50 degree, 57 degree. Now how to plot the graph? The graph when we plot, see, on the y-axis we are taking angle D, and on the x-axis I am taking angle of incidence. Now suppose my reading is this. At 35 I am getting 46. At 40 I am getting 42. At 45 I am getting 40. 50 I am getting again 39. At 55 I am getting a 42, and 60 I am getting a 45. I join it with a free hand. This is your minimum deviation. So I draw a line over here, and see, this is coming at 39. That means angle of minimum deviation is my 39 degree. Now what is the formula? How to put the formula? What is the formula for this? See, determination of refractive index. Angle A is 60 degree. Nu is equal to sine A plus delta M upon 2 upon sine A by 2. dm is obtained by ID graph, which comes out to be 39 degree according to our experiment. So nu is equal to sine 60 degree plus 39 upon 2, and then sine 60 by 2. This comes out to be nu equals to sine 49.5 degree upon sine 30 degree. Sine 30 is half, so this comes out to be 2 sine 49.5 degree. So refractive index comes out to be 1.520. So this is our experiment. Next, precautions. What are the precautions which we have to take here? Precautions, of course, when we are putting the pins, we have to be very careful that it has to be not very far, not very close. Minimum distance should be like 10 centimeter. Then angle of prism is same, because the prism is same for all the experiment, for all the observation we are doing. So angle of prism has to be same over here. And of course, while noting down the readings, while noting down the angles, we have to be very, very careful. While joining the lines, while joining the rays, we again have to be very careful. And last part, when we are drawing the graph, it has to be done in a very careful manner, so that we get a proper value of angle of minimum deviation. So this is the experiment.